Hello, fellow travelers. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore the art of travel itself. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first adventure, this guide will provide insights to enhance your travel experiences. Traveling opens doors to new cultures, cuisines, and perspectives. It's not just about visiting places but immersing yourself in the local way of life. To truly connect with a destination, consider learning a few phrases in the local language, trying traditional dishes, and participating in cultural events. Planning is crucial for a successful trip. Start by researching your destination, understand its customs, weather patterns, and must-see attractions. Create a flexible itinerary that balances sightseeing with relaxation. Remember, spontaneity often leads to the most memorable experiences. Packing smart can make your journey more comfortable. Opt for versatile clothing suitable for various occasions and climates. Don't forget essentials like travel-size toiletries, a first aid kit, and copies of important documents. Packing cubes can help organize your belongings efficiently. Safety should always be a priority. Keep your valuables secure, be aware of your surroundings, and have emergency contacts readily available. It's also wise to have travel insurance to cover unforeseen events. Budgeting allows you to make the most of your trip without overspending. Track your expenses, prioritize activities, and look for free or low-cost attractions. Street food and local markets not only save money but also offer authentic culinary experiences. Sustainable travel is becoming increasingly important. Support local businesses, respect natural habitats, and minimize waste. Small actions, like carrying a reusable water bottle or choosing eco-friendly accommodations, contribute to the preservation of destinations for future travelers. Documenting your journey through photos, videos, or journaling helps preserve memories and share experiences with others. However, ensure that capturing moments doesn't take away from living them. Balance screen time with real-time engagement. Finally, embrace the unexpected. Travel often comes with surprises, some challenging, others delightful. Flexibility and a positive attitude turn obstacles into adventures and strangers into friends. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of travel essentials. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and destination highlights. Safe travels!